You can turn a boring bulleted list into a professional graphic without drawing boxes and arrows yourself. It really just takes a couple of clicks. Let me show you how. First, just click inside your text box so your list is highlighted. Right-click and look for Convert to SmartArt. When you hover over it, you'll see a gallery of possible layouts that will show you a preview as you roll over them. Simply pick one that you like. You could stop there, but you could also try out other possibilities and tweak the look by making sure your graphic is selected, then go up to SmartArt Design at the top. Here I can try other layouts and see what I think. I like this design better, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. I can also change the colors. Let's try that palette. It pops out a little more off the background. And I can change the size. If this quick tip is going to save you time on your next presentation, give this video a like and subscribe to Digestible for more bite-sized tech tutorials. See you next time.